Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and all I can say is wow, what an amazing year. We hit 100,000 subscribers this weekend. We've been experiencing amazing growth. We're talking 138% growth over last year. And none of this growth would have been possible if it wasn't for you subscribing, for your watching our videos, and I just wanted to say thank you.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the little bell icon to get notified when new videos become available.
Now, to celebrate our 100,000 subscriber milestone, I'm going to be giving away a brand new Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2. Now, this is not a sponsored video. This is something that I've purchased to thank you for subscribing and following us here on YouTube. This is the 44mm Bluetooth version, and I'm going to ship this anywhere in the world. Now, keep in mind, if you are outside of the US, the only thing that you'll be responsible for is any VAT, tax, or custom fees required when you pick up the product. Now, I'll be announcing the winner of the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2 October 31st. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little bell icon so you can get notified when that video gets posted. Now, enrollment options for the giveaway will be found in the description area. So thank you all for watching. Good luck to you all, and I'll see you in the next video.